MODBUS remote control slave device. Enter menu. Enter MODBUS. This is the configuration file management, which allows you to open saved configurations, copy or delete them. Creating a new configuration. Add a variable. Select function code 03. Select variable address 18. Select the third decimal place. Addition can be confirmed. Run. Output 20. It can be seen that the slave device has already output 20. Exit the program now and save the configuration. Select Save to use it directly next time. However, this is just a demonstration, so we won't save it. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.